What's your name?
Mercedes-Benz.
Okay, first question. What are your children's names?
What?
What are your children's names?
Apagkabawa yan.
No, I know, but
Just answer the
Um, Gina, Helen, Sandy, and Uying.
Okay. What are your grandchildren's names?
Grand,
Yes.
Sheena, Napay. Una, Sheena,
Okay.
Kayla, Kiana, Christine, Nico, Kai, the Vietnamese, Kyun,
Yeah.
Kyuni,
Uh-huh.
and did I say Sige?
No, not yet. Ziggy.
Sige.
Yes.
There are 8 of them.
Yes. Okay, what do you hope for in each grandchild?
Sa hope.
Give an example, Mom.
I hope that they can finish all their education.
Okay. Next question. What was your first date with Umpa? Do you remember?
I forgot already. When I was 15.
Okay.
What did you guys do?
We went to watch movie.
What movie?
The Tagalog.
What kind of movie? Like what genre?
It's like what's that, romance?
Okay. What was your first job and what did you do?
Here in Guam.
No, in the Philippines.
In the Philippines.
I don't have a job there in the Philippines.
Okay, here in Guam then.
In Guam, no.
Napamana nag-eskwela ko nung
The job there. My first job here is cashier.
Cashier?
At
Where
the
at?
Ada Smart before. That's my
Okay.
first job.
Okay.
And then my second is in townhouse.
Townhouse, what did you do?
Same.
Same thing?
No, yeah, same.
Okay.
Same. And then
And then next question. What was your best friend's name and when did you meet them?
I forgot already.
You forgot?
My
Just
best
what's your
friend
yeah.
is my kumare there, Emelita Ilaw.
Okay. Okay. You can go
She's
here.
a teacher.
Okay. Where were you born and what was your hometown like?
Philippines.
Where exactly?
In Pangasinan.
Okay. What was your hometown like? What was your village like?
Oh, in
Like
Lawak.
Yeah, like where you grew up, where you were born.
Yeah,
and raised.
Lawak, Manawag, Pangasinan. It's nice. It's what's that?
Don't be shy.
Take your time.
Just try to remember. Like
It's
explain the outside. Like
Did you have a house?
yeah, did you have a house?
Yeah, we have a small house. Because we're poor
Bahay po.
that time.
What did you play with?
Yes. What kind of toys did you play with? What did you do for fun?
Yeah.
We have toys like we have to make our own toys. Like the sardine kind of sardine. We just put a rope and then buyod, pull it like that.
Okay.
And then we put something like a rocks or what.
Mhm. And
That's our toy before.
who did you play with?
My neighbor's kids.
And your siblings?
Yeah.
So who are your siblings? What are their names? Your brother and your sisters.
Kapagkabawa, yeah. My brother is naganan iba na. Federico,
Uh-huh.
Tuson, Juanita, the one in Ilocos, Juanita, and naganan na sukutungan.
See?
Catalina.
Catalina, Modesto, me, and Auntie Julie.
So you listed
Kapag
them from
ito tayo?
oldest to youngest?
Oh, yeah, you forgot.
Anin?
Buwat yung lalaki, upat tayo ng babae.
Yeah, we're six of six. We're not 7, 6.
Natay di may isa.
2 boys and 4 girls.
2 boys and 4 girls. How many are alive?
Alive. Ano dan?
5. 6.
Amutan ni Iban.
Natay di man mo di inam jula.
Oh yeah, 5. 5 is
Dad
alive.
of Elmeris.
Died.
No more. Died already.
Okay. Did you have a close relationship with your siblings?
Of course.
Do you love them very much?
Of course, not like you guys. You go gura-gura.
Okay.
Gosh, she's so defensive.
We're just asking, okay? Okay. What were your parents' names?
My father's name is Locio Toson.
Okay.
And my mom's name is Basilia Zamora.
And what were your parents like?
What do you mean?
Like, were they
Kind or
kind?
strict?
Were
Oh,
they
yeah.
strict?
Yeah, my mom is kind and my dad's a little bit like mean.
Okay. Were they funny or what else kind of
What funny.
like are they humorous?
They're serious to their work as a farmer.
Okay, tell us about what they did. What were their jobs?
They're a farmer.
What did they farm?
Of course, in a field.
What though? Do you know what? Like
Like
vegetables?
crops?
So yeah, rice,
Mhm.
Vegetable.
vegetable, and sugar cane,
Or
corn, like that.
Okay. What else about your
And then-
parents?
And
Do you
then
know? Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
When I'm, manong taon ko din nala na ni Talim. When I think I'm 4th grade when my auntie,
Adopt you, right?
Yeah.
not adopt, but stay with her because they don't have any kids. So I grew up with her in my auntie's house.
This is your mom's sister.
Yeah, yeah. Mhm.
So you
Yeah,
didn't
this is
stay with your mom?
I stayed when I'm, small, little. But when I grew up like 4 years old or 5 years old, my auntie took me to their house because they don't have any kids.
So was it
I
just
stay with
you?
them. Huh?
Was it just you they took or?
Yeah, only me. But we're, mano kami, tinagibin, we're, I think, 5 of us that we stayed with her. My cousin, my, niece, like that.
Okay. Did you visit your mom and dad often when?
Yeah, we're
Just
close.
neighbors?
We're close to the place.
And how did you feel that you were living in your auntie's house and not with your
Yeah,
mom?
I feel lonely before. I cried because I don't want it.
Auntie.
But then I have to because they told me that, when you stay with me, I'm gonna make you go school. That's what they said. Because, my mom cannot afford.
Okay.
So, I went.
Uh-huh. I see you're getting a little teary-eyed.
You're emotional.
Why is that? Where are those tears coming from?
Because we're so poor and I didn't have to go with my auntie before because I miss my sisters, brothers.
Mm.
That's why.
Ask another question. That's a happy question.
Because
Okay,
it's hard
so
if
I'm
you're
crying
far away.
too.
It's hard when you're far away with your, sibling.
Do you think about that often now or?
No, no more. I'm old already. Sometimes only.
Do you miss your mom and dad? Do you think about them at this
Yeah.
age?
Mhm. I said I wish we were rich so that I could go to school too. I said
Yeah.
the reason why my auntie took me because they cannot afford to bring me to school, my mom and dad.
Uh-huh.
So my auntie said, "You come and stay with me, and I'll let you go school.
To give you a better
And
life.
yeah, and then because my auntie is a dressmaker, I'm
Okay.
gonna show you a lot of clothes because before I wear those those ugly clothes like torn
Yes.
like that.
That's apong tabing, right, mommy?
Yeah. So that's my life before, and then when I grew up like a teenager or 13, 14 years old, the husband of my auntie is strict.
Uh-huh.
He don't want me to go out and play with my friends before. So and then when I tried to escape before, they spanked me. They let me nail in the in the ganon, balatong, what's that thing? Mongo. They let me nail in that.
The Mongo
My
bean?
punishment, yeah, our punishment. Because three of us before stay with them, so they let us, nail in that mongo.
Gosh, did that hurt?
Of course, you try.
For how long?
Oh, maybe like 20 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and we're crying when that we looking at each other. Every time we made a mistake like that, they let us nail in the mongo.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And then when I go to school, they let me go first year in the private school, Holy Rosary. They always wait for me there in their doorway to make sure that I have to go early, to come home early.
Uh-huh.
So they're just waiting for me there. And then when late, why, where did you go again? He said like that.
That's like how you are now.
Where did you go? Yeah, but at least I don't punish you like
Like
let
what?
you nail in the thing.
Uh-huh.
So then, at night I cry, I want to go back to my mom because, she's kind. But I cannot because, they give me a better life.
Mm-hmm.
Like, she...
How come they took you, Mom? How come they didn't take Auntie Juliet?
Because she's still young before.
Oh.
Still young before.
Okay.
So
Sounds good.
I sacrifice because I want to go to school.
So what's your highest education?
I stay with them only for like 2 years at the academy. And then that's when we elope with your ampa.
Okay.
I was 15, 16 years old.
Okay, so tell us the story of how you two first met.
Yeah. No, we're like at the same school.
Okay.
Your ampa went to that school, to the Holy Rosary.
Uh-huh.
And then when there's a flag raising, the flag ceremony in the morning, she keep looking at me. She said that he likes me.
Uh-huh.
So then, but I cannot go out with him. Every time there's like a dance for village by village, I wanna go also because my friends are there. And then they won't let me go because your ampas always following me. That's how it is when I'm growing up. Then, after that, your ampa, when we were in the school, your ampa told me, oh, you wanna go watch movie? It's a nice movie. He said. So I said, where? In Tagupan. Yeah, but I don't have money. I said, no, I treat you because your ampa got money before because your apong is in Guam before. So I treat you, let's go. Only like 2 hours. Only 2 of us. I said, no, my relative to the Puring, the lady. So she came with us and then later on she went home early because she's asked to do something too. So only me and Yampa stayed until the movie is finished. And then after the movie, After the movie,
Yes.
that's what she said. He told me if I want to go with him to Baguio to see Baguio, Baguio. Because I've never been, to that place. You have to ride the bus, and I don't have money to pay. So I said, no, I treat you. I got money, he said. So I went with him.
Like how many months or days after your
Just
first
one
date?
day.
Just one day?
Yeah, and then you know that your apong bakit before. Oh, I said, your auntie's looking for you. They're so mad, she said. But then we stayed there one night, but we didn't sleep together because the relative too that we stayed with them is don't sleep together. You sleep here. I sleep with your Auntie Evelyn because that's where their house in Baguio.
Okay.
Before you sleep with Evelyn, and you sleep with the brother too. So we didn't do nothing.
Well, what did you do in Baguio?
No, she wants to show me around because I never been there.
So he took you around to
Yeah.
places?
Mm-hmm.
So like what kind of places?
In Bornholm Park. You've never been there, right? It's a nice place and it's so cold. And then after that, in the afternoon, the grandma said, oh, your mama called up here. They were looking for me, he said. And the auntie is so mad. So, and then I said to myself, oh, I don't want to go home because I know my uncle before is mean. Beat me up again, I said. So your Ampa said that, oh, you come to the house now, you stay there, he said. So I didn't go to my auntie's house because they're gonna beat me up.
Yeah.
So and then later on at night, we went to my mom's house and my real mom house. That's where we go because some people came to get me and go back to my house there in my mom's house. Because I don't want to go to their house, my auntie, because
You're
they're gonna beat
scared.
me up. Yeah.
Your punishment's gonna be worse than the mungo beans.
Yeah.
Right?
And then so I went to my mom's house in Laod. They followed me there at night. How many of them went there to, say sorry like that. They even slapped me there. My not my mom but my relative.
Yeah.
And they slapped my face like that. Grampingat like this like that. He's saying like.
What's grumping at me?
That's malicious, like like
Gumarampingat ka, pang kasi murot kwa.
like flirting.
Karding.
Like you're such a flirt.
Yeah, flirt.
Like a sumayot?
Yeah, flirt.
Yeah.
So I keep crying. My mom didn't slap me or on my neighbor's things, the one who slapped me.
Why would they slap you?
Are they your family?
Yeah, relative. The husband of that lady is my cousin. Yeah. So she's so much, she slapped me. And then nobody wanna talk to me really. They're mad at me.
Yeah.
So I went back to your Ampa's house because I'm scared.
So you stayed there for a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, so what was it about Ampa that made you fall in love?
Of course, he's handsome before.
Handsome? Why? What did he look like?
No, they said that he looks like that movie star, Romeo Vasquez.
Romeo Vasquez.
Because he got curly hair before. And, of course, he's young. That's how.
And was he kind to you?
Yeah, he's kind.
Mm-hmm.
He's always kind. She always buy me, snack there in the school before. Because I don't have money. They don't give me lunch money. I bring my own baon with eggs or only and the sardines. That's my baon. Because they don't give me money.
Yeah.
So he always buy me before, snacks or something like that.
That's nice. When do you remember your first kiss?
First kiss?
Yeah, with Ampa. Remember your first kiss?
Of course, when I'm 15 years old.
Yeah, do you remember the time or the moment?
In the movies?
Was it in the
Did he kiss you
movie?
in the movie theater?
Yeah, the
Oh,
movie.
there you go.
Yeah.
So your first date,
Mhm.
kiss.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then,
Anything else you want to add on to that? Wait, I still have plenty questions.
Yeah.
what question?
Well, let's go back to your childhood. Did you have any like chores or responsibilities?
Yeah, we have a not Carabao cow before that we have to feed early in the morning. We feed them with yun na ganyan pakanan, grass.
Mm-hmm.
You have to put in their mouth like that.
The leaves of the sugar cane.
Yeah, that's what we're doing before when I'm young.
So you guys had to feed the cow only? What else besides that?
That's it because I'm scared with chicken.
Oh,
Oh,
so you guys
yes.
had chickens
Yeah.
also?
Yeah,
Like
there is
other
chicken, but I'm scared.
Any other animals besides cows, chicken?
That's it. I remember.
So they raised these
Chicken.
animals to trade, right? Or to sell? Or is that what it
Or
is?
maybe for food.
Or is it
For food or to sell so that they can buy another kind of food like fish like that.
Okay. So what did you guys eat all the time then?
Dinengdeng vegetable because
Mhm.
they grow vegetable to there before
Okay.
like kangkong or
Uh-huh.
the frog.
Ew.
You eat yeah,
Oh.
they got frog in the field. It's good.
Really?
Yeah, and then the na pero
Yeah,
okay. I don't know the I don't know what kind of fish is
The
that.
dakomo, crab.
Crab,
Probably
like
is
that.
chicken.
Or the nya ti dodo na Helen.
What's a dodo?
Yun ba, the one that like
Duck?
no, not duck. I don't like that.
Like bee.
Like a grasshopper. We
Okay.
eat that
Oh.
too.
Like insects?
Like
Yeah.
crickets.
We are cricket. Yeah, like that.
That's a delicacy.
Yeah.
Mhm. That's all we eat before. And corn,
Mm-hmm.
the kamuti
Mhm.
leaves, marunggay, like that.
It's like the same stuff you eat
Mhm.
today.
That's
Yeah,
why
that's
they're
why I'm
used
used to it, to eating those vegetable.
Okay. Hold on.
How many times? Maybe next year you're gonna interview again.
Well, there's so
that's
many we
it.
don't know about.
Yeah.
Christine did already.
Because she wrote a paper on you.
Yeah.
But they have follow-up questions. Because Kristen keeps bugging Nico.
Yeah.
Did you have any dreams?
Yeah, I have a dream before. I wanted to be a nurse.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
A
But
nurse?
yeah, I cannot because we're poor. And
Mm-hmm.
nobody wanna help me go school, college.
Okay, so hold on, what else? How else did you spend your free time as a teenager? What did you guys do?
I didn't do nothing because they're strict. They won't let me go anywhere.
Just stay
But
home.
sometimes I escape.
So how did you escape? Tell me what you
What
did.
No, I said, oh, I wanna go to my house. My real mom house.
Mm-hmm.
I said like that. But I go out with my friends too. That's it. But I have to come back right away.
Okay. How did you get to school when you were younger? Did you walk or take
Yeah, we walk. We use the wooden sleeper.
wooden
and-
slipper?
We call that suicos.
It's like clogs.
Why did
Yeah.
you have to use that? Because you didn't have.
We don't have any money to buy shoes or slipper.
Did you guys shower often?
Of course.
Okay, I'm
Just asking.
So yeah, you guys had a shower.
No,
And
the
bathroom? The
pump.
pump?
Yeah, the pump.
So you have a tabo.
Yeah, tabo.
Did you use shampoo, conditioner, soap?
No, you know what we use as a shampoo? The
Aloe vera?
No.
No, we have to burn that thing and then we put water.
Which one? Is it a plant?
Is it a plant?
Yan na, ganun na, yan na,
Hindi,
yan.
pati rice.
Is it a plant?
Yeah, it's a rice, the rice,
Seeds,
not the
rice
seeds.
the rice leaves,
Yeah, the leaves.
and then you guys
And
burn
then
it,
We burn it and then
you
we,
add water,
yeah, we
and it
put
becomes
water.
like soap. Does
That
it-
one is got lather too, soap.
Oh.
Yeah. But the hair is
So you guys
nice.
didn't have soap bars or anything?
No.
No.
You know, like you have the Irish Spring.
No, no,
the-
no.
That
We
was
never
on
had
the-
a
for
So
the
like-
spring
clothes,
or
for the
anything.
clothes.
It's natural
Yeah.
stuff that you have to make first.
Yeah, we have to make our own shampoo.
Did you already have those plants or you grew them?
Yeah, we grew them. That's from the leaves of this rice thing.
Do you know
From
what
the
that's
farm?
called? Rice?
I
Rice
forgot.
leaves,
Yeah.
Just rice leaves?
No.
like the grains.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
grains. Like, like the seed is covered with a grain.
Yeah.
Like kind of husk.
Yeah.
Kinda.
Yeah, like a house.
Yeah.
Like, does it look like that?
Yeah, like that.
So like
No,
this?
Paamot
It's kind of bright.
Oh, sorry.
We call that arotang. I don't know what is in English that one.
This one?
But if you
Interesting.
use that, it's shiny. Your hair is nice.
Really?
It's so black. Yeah.
Okay.
Use it right now.
What about when you brush your teeth?
Like, what did you
We
use?
use the guava twig. You know the branches of the guava.
Guava twigs?
Yeah. Yeah. It's.
But
you
how
can
about
clean that one.
But your breath, how about your breath?
yeah,
Doesn't it
tooth
smell?
what did you
It
use?
smells good.
So no toothpaste?
Oh,
Huh?
toothpaste.
No, there is a toothpaste for the rich people only.
But you
We
couldn't
cannot afford to buy.
Oh, it's a
That's why we call that guava twig.
guava twig.
Yeah.
Is it from the guava tree?
Yeah. The branch, the
Oh.
branch.
Just a
A
branch.
small branch, yeah.
Oh, interesting.
How about the soap
I
for
see
your
the
body
one.
soap? What did you use?
But we use that one for laundry, like a,
Like a laundry soap?
Yeah,
Like the
laundry.
powder?
yeah, like,
No,
no,
so
not the powder, the,
Dili
Gusgus.
Oh, that rock?
bar.
Oh, but
Soap
what? How
bar.
does it smell? Like because if you just use water, you're still bangon.
No, it smells good too.
But it's a rock?
Not a rock,
What is
the soap, bar soap.
Like a bar soap.
Yeah, I asked
That
you
one
that.
for laundry.
Oh, it's
That
a
one.
laundry
Yeah,
bar
laundry
soap.
soap, bar soap. Yeah.
So it does have a smell.
Yeah.
Oh.
That
Okay.
one. So.
And of course you washed your clothes by hand.
Yeah, hand like that.
Where at though? In the
We-
river, in the
Oh,
house?
sometimes we go in the river.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
to
then
wash there.
you wash it there?
Yeah.
So it's
We
dir-
bring
so
the
it's
soap
dirty,
and
this
then
river.
when you rinse it, you do like that in the water.
Oh.
It's fun, that one.
That's fun.
That's like in the movies.
It's
I know.
flowing. The water is
It's
flowing.
nearby your house?
No,
You have
it's
to
a
walk?
little bit far. We have to ride the
Oh.
cariton, the
Carabao.
Carabao?
Yeah.
Oh,
with
Cool.
that, the wagon.
Yeah.
Wagon is
Yeah.
attached
Cool.
to the caravel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so there was no cars there, right? Just, like,
the
try-
rich people in
Uh-huh.
Manila, they have cars, but in the province, nothing.
How about electricity? Did
Oh,
you guys have
yes.
electricity?
Or before,
Or
when I'm
candles.
growing up, no electricity. We use the
Candles?
the gas thing.
Oh.
Yeah, they have to make their own light.
That's it? You guys didn't have TV?
Like did you have a
Nothing.
refrigerator?
We have a transistor. What? There's no. What we gonna put in the refrigerator? We cannot even eat meat.
I'm just wondering.
It's open.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That's why you guys are lucky now because you have everything.
You know.
Before nothing.
Not before not, but we're happy before. It's fun too.
Yeah.
Because everybody and our neighbors like that the same.
Yeah.
By the pencil.
Yeah.
to
And then when we go to school, we only buy, like 2 leaves of that, the writing paper.
Uh-huh.
Because we cannot afford to buy the one,
One rim?
One rim.
Yeah, like a notebook.
You can buy two
Since
like that,
two
two or
since, one
yeah.
since, okay.
What did they teach you in school? What are some subjects?
The same like it, like English, like that to Tagalog,
Mm-hmm.
social studies.
Mm-hmm.
They call the math is arithmetic.
Yes.
Yes.
Arithmetic,
that.
yeah, that one.
Okay.
Then
Did you have any teachers or classmates who had a big impact on you?
what impact?
Like, did you have a teacher that,
Like listen to your problems and
or that you're like, oh, wow, I really like this teacher, or, like,
your favorite teacher.
Your favorite teacher?
yeah, or like,
No.
you learned a lot from this one teacher.
No, because the teachers before they're mean.
No, you
They even pinch you like that when you're seeing it. Yeah. That's why your Auntie Sing went only until grade 2 because he's scared because the teachers are mean. They even pull your hair like that and pinch
Jeez.
you. But now they cannot do that anymore.
Oh yeah.
They have a big stick packed like that.
Okay. What made you decide to leave the Philippines?
Of course, to get a better life.
How old did you move?
Here when Yampa.
And with who?
Yampa is like 18, I think, before, and
You
I
were
came here like maybe not even 20 years old yet before
Well,
when I
how
first came here.
how did you get here though? Because you had to obtain a passport, right? But you're
No, because your Ampa,
yes.
your Ampa Luding before petition your
Your uncle.
Rampa now. That's how we.
But yeah, he became a U.S. citizen. Apong Lakay.
Yeah.
He first became U.S. citizen.
Yes.
And then he petitioned
He
dad.
petitioned the kid, dad
Yeah.
and your uncle Junior.
And then after that, he petitioned you and us.
Yeah.
Oh, because you guys were born
We're
in the
naturalized.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Gina is naturalized citizen because
naturalized.
because your Ampa became a U.S. citizen, so naturally the kids get that citizenship. Yeah.
That's how it is.
Okay, hold up. Okay, so you were pregnant in the Philippines with Auntie Gina and Auntie Helen, right?
But we're not married yet before with your Ampa. We just stay together because we're young
Yes.
and they cannot marry
How
us
old
in the Catholic.
were you when you were pregnant with your
Yeah.
first?
I think 18 or something like that. Not even 20.
Okay. And where did you give birth? In a hospital?
No.
In your
The,
province.
the hilot.
Oh,
They call the comadrona.
the birth. What do they call those mothers?
Those old ladies that,
Yeah.
Like a doula? Do you know
Something
what a
like
doula
that.
Yeah.
is? Or like a midwife?
Yes, kind of like
It's
that.
not even a midwife, but those old
Those
people.
old ladies that
Yeah,
know
old
how
ladies.
to push down your
Yeah.
stomach.
So, your Auntie Gina and your Auntie Helen, they were not midwife. We call that hilot.
Yeah.
Hilot.
Good thing we came out alive.
Oh my gosh, so like you didn't even get like any like IV fluid in you, or
No,
it's just
nothing.
all natural.
No.
And they didn't have no vitamins at all, right, Mom? Because they can't afford it.
Oh.
So hard before.
So like did the babies get their shots?
No shot.
Nothing.
Wow, you guys
My
are
gosh.
tough.
We sure are. That's why we're tough. No messing around with the Pallet sisters.
So your immunization, or you're immune to a lot of things?
Yes. All the dugyot everywhere. Look at how I did this week. All the dugyot around me.
So when you had your two children, how many years apart were you?
2 years.
So where did you stay when you had them?
Your
With Ampa
Ampasa.
still?
Yeah, Ampasa house before.
That
They
house,
have their own
that
house.
house in that corner where we always go.
It's
No.
like a nipa hut. It's not like
Oh,
that
it's not
before.
that.
It's a small house.
Was Apong Lakay and Apong Bucket there? When
No,
you,
Yapong Lakay is already here in Guam before, but Yapong Bakit is still there.
So you stayed with Apong Bakut, their house.
Were they
Or their
kind? Was
house.
she kind to you?
Yeah, she's kind. Apong
Apong Clara.
She's kind.
So did your parents find out and your auntie find out about you being pregnant?
Yeah.
And how were their reactions?
No, nothing. Maybe they're mad, but what can they do? So it's there already.
Yeah. Well, I'm sure they were happy though after.
Yeah, after they're happy now.
Mhm.
My auntie.
Mhm.
Because
Question.
Auntie Gina's always going to their house before. Apple, give me 50 cents for lunch money before.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, Mama. Why did you keep Gina and you left me with
Auntie said,
Auntie Singh?
because I am going to school before. I continue my high school before.
So why keep Gina, not me?
Oh.
Anak ko ni Gina din
Gina,
and all the dresses
you
and
know,
shoes.
your auntie Ising like to what's that? Race you before.
I
Sis
know.
Anos,
She
yeah.
always tells me I'm
Yeah.
pretty. I'm the prettiest one.
She like
BBC.
to take care of you
Okay,
before.
so that was really not a reason.
Why?
So you can
I
you tell back?
stayed apart. So Gina stayed with mom and Ampa and Amma, and she gave me to be raised by Auntie Singh. That's why Auntie Singh is like my mother. In Laon,
Oh.
Yeah, in Laod.
How old
in
were you?
Laod.
I was little.
Because
Baby,
you're
right?
because you're lampay before every
Like a
time.
toddler. So you put me away because I cried too much? How dare you? Look how's your favorite now.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's where I stayed. That's why Auntie Singh is closer to me because she raised me.
Yeah.
For how many years?
I don't know, Mom.
No, not really.
A couple of years because I came here when I was 3, right?
Yeah.
So maybe
Hi,
a
Ampa.
year.
Hi, Ampa.
Come sit
Hi,
down
Daddy. Come.
and listen to stories.
Yep.
Maybe you
Okay.
can contribute.
Maybe one more question because my camera's about to die.
Oh.
you gotta,
I gotta charge it again.
Okay,
but
one question.
I'll bring it downstairs.
And then-
One more question
No
and
more?
I'll charge it.
One more and then we continue.
Just to wrap up this.
Yeah. Why? You
Oh,
don't know?
I went
you
to
done?
school before
Okay.
when I got your Auntie Jean. I know. I continue my high school days before,
After Gina.
but I got kids already. So your Auntie Juliet helped me to watch them before.
And Dad was already in Guam?
Yeah, she's already in Guam.
Okay, so you
So,
have to continue. You have to interview.
And then
Ampa.
I finished high school, and your Auntie Nelly stayed with us too before in their house.
Mhm.
So when I graduated from high school, I wanted to continue to college. But you know, I don't have money. Ampa never sent me before
Mhm.
because she got so many girlfriends. So Auntie Nelly feel sorry for me.
Mhm.
So in Kagiskwil, I said, I help you, he said.
Mhm.
I give you know, the money. So she helped me until second year, I mean college in Dagupan.
Okay.
Because yung Ampa never sent me before. He got a lot of girlfriends. Hindi, dakad to, hindi na mga pinag-eskwela.
Because Dad,
Dakad
Mommy,
niya Las Vegas. Ito eh.
nagado nga girlfriend mo. Wala.
She cannot hear.
Are you able to record and charge at the same time?
Yeah, maybe.
Na?
Go get it.
Okay.
Mommy, you
have
got raised
another
with
battery?
somebody else.
She like, there's plenty guys like her too, and they go out like that. At night, escape at night. House before, we stay downstairs. How many
We
families
all
stay
stayed
there?
there. Auntie Lucring,
Yeah.
Our family?
Mm-hmm.
Auntie Nelly? No.
We Auntie Nelly stay upstairs before because they were stationed here. Yung
So it's just
Uncle
us and Auntie Lucring.
Yeah, and you know Melba, you know your Auntie Melba?
Yeah.
The ones
The
that
other
live,
one
yes. Yeah, because they were stationed here before, the husband. So
Where did Auntie
three,
Dalma stay then?
huh?
Where did Auntie Dalma stay?
You stay with the husband too there in Jigo.
Roger?
Yeah, with the mother-in-law. So one each bedroom as me, your Auntie Lucring and your Auntie Melba before.
I didn't know Auntie Melba stayed with us.
Yeah, stayed here because they cannot get a housing yet before, so they stay temporary.
Are you recording, people?
This one, yeah. But
Okay,
I might have to,
yeah.
yeah.
Okay. What were some challenges you faced starting a new life here in Guam?
Give me example.
Like, what was
Hardship.
like hardship when you lived here, when you moved here? Like,
Oh, I wanted to go back before.
why?
Because I don't have any friends yet, and I cannot speak good English yet before, even though you're a college thing.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I don't want. And then your ampa never give me money.
You always say that.
Yeah.
Yeah, she never give me money. She gamble and then she fool around. Makes me consumption. I'm so skinny before.
I know.
Yeah.
How did you build a home and raise a family on Guam?
Your apong's the one who built the house.
So Apong,
Your apong lakay.
so how did he get this land?
Oh, he bought it a long time ago. It's only $4,000, he said.
Wow.
This area before, yes, cheap. So
1,000?
he's lucky he got that one.
So who built this apartment?
Your apong, self construction.
How did he know how?
She just no?
Who did he build it with?
Those the workers from Frank Perez before those
It's a construction company.
construction.
Before Gina was buying nice clothes.
Ampa said they buy Gina nice clothes.
Yeah, before when we were in the
Yes.
Philippines.
That's why, yeah.
And that's why your mommy is kakaas, hindi po stay with your auntie sing.
I didn't have anything but diapers. Gina had nice dresses, nice shoes.
Not even diaper, just a cloth diaper.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Was makaasid.
And then when your ampa took vacation before in the Philippines, your Auntie Helen is scared with him. He's always crying.
Why?
Because he left me. He left when I was little, so I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
I was like a boy.
Before I buy you nice shoes,
Who, me?
I buy it there in Las Vegas.
Miko, lagi tayo Miko.
Nike?
Nice one. You like it?
How long did you live in Las Vegas?
Huh?
How long you live in Las Vegas for?
Long time.
You
And
know?
then I send money to your amma.
$50 and then you want me to buy your pantalon. Wala mabate. No, $50 is
Las
big
Vegas,
money
come
before.
bring home no money. I always lose.
What would you play?
I got my tip there to my work.
Mm-hmm.
So
If you got $10 before, okay na.
you can
But
buy.
now, no more.
What else?
Ask him what his job is in the
Huh?
States.
Ampa, what was your job in the States?
States,
Yeah, your job.
my
Trabajo.
trabaho.
Nga ti trabahong kano ide.
Bus boy.
In the restaurant?
No, the hotel.
Oh.
Hotel.
And then I got two waitress, they give me money.
Tip.
It
You
is
share the
because
tip.
I'm working hard.
Okay.
Sometimes the leftover in the kitchen, I eat it. Steak.
Yeah.
Oh, good.
You like it, Eddie?
Yeah.
Yes,
What? How about when you were little, Ampa? When you're little, did you have job as a teenager or a child?
No, no. I don't have your job only in Guam before. Gasboy.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
your
Gasboy
first
isa
job.
kanya.
Yes.
Ask him how he was attracted to Grandpa.
And then,
Yeah.
the battery, the one I sell, I cover it and then I get the money with the
Oh, the battery that they change. She save those things. Sila second. Pero tingay, kunam nga hotdog din
Ha?
Di hotdog nga kunam, may bagang nga hotdog data.
Hotdog, I took
Aso.
I took sa dog. I buy there in Isaganya.
Yeah.
Can I buy
Hotdog.
hot dog, ha? Two scoop of rice.
He thought it
Tell
was.
him I took dog. No, that hot dog.
He didn't think. He thought it was a real dog. It's funny. Ew.
Why did you grow up eating dog?
Yeah.
You like it?
We ate here before.
Even
Even
your mom.
Mami.
Oh yeah, you said.
ni Gina sa
No, Sunday.
ping-pong.
Di ko
Ping-pong.
Sunday.
No,
Oh no, that's Gina is a dog. They were eating it.
ping-pong tinagan na ping-pong. So we eat the ping.
They're so traumatizing.
Gina was so
Gina
mad.
like that too. Also.
We even had a nice
Wow.
dog, Kunso. Remember, mommy?
Yeah.
Kunso?
Isa kind.
I think it was a lab. Labrador.
Oh, lab.
He's
That's
such a
nice.
good dog.
Mm.
But yeah, Ampa ate ping.
And then in Manila, I apply job there in Manila. It's hard to open the airport.
Because you're a
We meet the whole
labor.
airport there.
Laborer.
And then one
Laborer.
of my co-workers fall down in the thing, matay.
Oh,
My
my
God.
God.
The whole.
Yeah.
That's dangerous.
Because we fixed the airport, the uncle.
His uncle before is an engineer. Si
Ah,
Tony.
Uncle. May pata ko din hard there. And then we got the barracks, huh?
Oh, down there, right?
Yeah, the
Nothing,
barracks there
only-
before.
Only fish, the small fish.
Bugoong.
The airport was.
The little tinapa, maybe. Okay. Next question.
Hard before. We
Um,
were very poor before.
Very poor.
And then we almost go to Mindanao with your Apong Lakay.
to farm there.
Yeah.
Apong, the sister, right?
Apong Isang.
Isang. Yeah, she used to work there. Did you ever meet her, Kiana?
No, I don't think so.
They're still young. Awan na pa dakyanan sa edi. Yeah.
Ah,
That's
Awan na pa
Uncle,
dakyanan edi.
that's
Dami na
Uncle
bakit
Carl's
isang
mom.
ito.
Oh.
Mommy, Uncle Carl's mom, right?
Yeah, yeah. That's
Yeah.
the sister of your Apong Lakay.
Yeah, yeah.
So
That's the
the two
only
of
two.
them. Yeah.
Okay. What else, Nico? Can you, do you remember when you first met Amma?
oh yeah.
Where?
Oh, yeah.
Lawak.
Where in Lawak?
You're not, is the one is very nice before you.
Well, now no more. Now no more.
And then I bring to Baguio.
Oh, yeah.
Baguio. Taray, was you got Taray there?
Elope.
Runaway. Runaway.
But
Later on, alga kayo, naniyong mo lang. Medyo Baguio.
Nayo.
Oh. Where's Merced? There.
they're looking for her, Kunada.
Do you remember your first date?
Oh yeah, we
What did you do?
remember when first did
Don't tell him.
we ate in the restaurant, right? In Dagupan,
Mm.
and then we watched the movie,
Oh,
the
there you go.
handsome
I still remember.
starring
Who's it
Rene
starring?
Vasquez,
Mm.
Oh, that's the one they said.
Amalia Fuentes.
It looks like
And
him.
then,
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, I wanna go to Baguio, but I am gonna come. I wanna come. Just the time we get married. But long time we don't married. Because if I married, I cannot come to Guam.
No,
Tell the story. Remember when Daddy was trying to get your attention and he threw like a rock,
oh yeah.
the letter?
Di agar-aram ka,
When he was
batong
sporting.
di surat.
Yeah.
Yan titawa.
He threw it in a.
And then you paid it.
What did it say in there? The letter.
Yan din surat mo.
And hindi you buy
Yan din surat mo dyan ro, papel.
Okay,
Ayayo.
you're so nice. I wanna marry you.
So where did you get married?
When?
When did you get married?
In 1965.
That's 2 years after my birth.
Yeah.
That was 63.
Oh.
So they weren't married.
No, when we got married, that's the time when they baptized also.
Me.
Yeah, they
Oh.
baptized.
In the Philippines?
Mm-hmm. In the church there.
You got married in a church?
Of course.
Okay, what church? What's the name?
Yun na rin yung church yun.
Ha?
Well,
Holy Cross.
Holy Cross church.
In what?
Lawak.
In
in
Lawak. Yeah.
Did you have a big wedding?
No, not
Just a
I just
ceremony?
wear the dress.
That's
yeah.
it?
Mm-hmm.
Next
What else?
question. What's your question, Nico? You had?
It was just like, what are your grandkids' names? What do you hope for in them? There's some on my phone right now.
his occupation. What was his first job, second job? Did you used to work at Hilton, Mom?
Me?
Yeah, I remember you working at
Oh yeah,
Hilton.
in the gift shop
The gift
before,
shop.
yeah.
Was that your first
That's
or
when-
second?
No, that's already like
After Gibson's or before?
before Gibson.
You don't go to Hawaii before, right?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you went to Hawaii, you said.
I work in
The picking pineapple, you said.
pineapple.
Oh, really?
Picking
Oh,
pineapple.
pineapple in
That's where we
Hawaii?
met your ninong Batiid.
Who?
Si Sarbiano.
Oh,
Mm.
so before he went to California to pick cabbage?
No. After already.
Mascara,
After,
so you
yeah.
can put the pineapple.
The pineapple.
Do you have some kind of
The glasses?
mascara?
Or mask?
Next.
Hawaii is a shit, right?
You should have just stayed in Hawaii.
Why?
Could have been living there.
Living in Hawaii.
Oh.
If I work in Hawaii, no.
Because you cannot see how could you stay there.
Farmer,
Yeah.
the
Farmer
picking pineapple.
Probably Dole Plantation. Is it Dole Plantation?
What the
Pineapple.
Yeah. Then sometimes they give us merinda, the pineapple with in the can.
Oh, the can.
Another
The can.
Mm-hmm.
So when did you go back to Guam?
Huh?
When did you go back to Guam? Like after you went to the States, how come you went back to Guam?
Yeah, because hard there.
It's hard. So
Hard because I don't have a thing.
So ano nga nagsublit because he spend he gamble the
Oh.
dad's money. So that's why he got mulloong.
no, this is before when
Oh,
when
before?
that, like when he was working there, and then he how did he come back? You know how you said that he left, and then he came back, and then I think Gina wrote him a letter.
Oh yeah,
Right?
to come home because we're coming to Guam or we're going to Guam tatay. They call tatay before, not so can you go back to Guam now so that we can see each
Uncle
other?
Junior, he put the seat belt. Don't put the seat belt, I don't know how to take it out. But he put seat belt like that, so okay, you go to Hawaii now, I stay in Guam. Kung ko naman.
Kung ko naman.
And then when they give us food, we don't have money. I said to stewardess, we don't have money. So no, that's spray. And then Uncle Junior, I'm hungry. I'm hungry when I said, so we ate.
That's his first time
Salad.
playing.
Yeah, that's when I first
Coffee.
come to America, I Guam. And then you don't know how to put the seat belt. The seat belt.
I don't know too. So,
Just put it on top of the stomach.
let's go like that. And
And then he clicked it.
Uncle Junior said, don't put that, don't put.
Click it. Yeah.
Okay, now you go to, you still in Guam, you stay, go to Hawaii.
You don't know how to remove it out.
Anything story.
Oh, how about the grandma, Apong Bakut? You know, she was like part of Lawak, Miss Lawak.
Oh yeah,
Miss Lau.
Yeah, she was in pageants.
Filipino
Oh.
Ladies Association.
The Ilocano Association.
Yeah,
She-
Ilocano
yeah,
Association. Yeah.
Apong was really tall, and she was like,
And then we got
Friends with the governor.
Jet, you know,
Mhm.
my dad, he bring a jeep, so I tried.
Jeep here.
Jeep.
Passenger.
Jeepney?
No, they're in Lawak before.
Oh,
When he didn't come to Guam yet.
But
Oh.
Your Apong Lakay bought a jeep before, so he can drive.
That's his job
Yeah.
as a job.
And then I got a girlfriend before I go to college, so I drive to Tagupan.
Jeez, Daddy.
Yeah, he's a playboy before. That's why I
Yeah,
put
because
Solution.
before I'm very handsome. No,
For
yeah, no kidding.
no kid.
the one now.
How about now?
No, pangit.
No, still.
Romy Vasquez.
Romeo Vasquez look-alike? Is still alive, that actor?
No more, no more.
No
I don't
more
know.
than-
I have to look it up. Let's see.
Vasquez?
And,
Romeo Vasquez is an actor.
And we
This one? Is it this one?
take movies there in
No?
Yeah, this one. Romy Vasquez before.
Oh yeah, when Daddy has that picture, that sepia.
Yeah.
color.
Oh yeah. I remember
Yeah, I remember him with a suit with Uncle Roger, Uncle Junior.
Yeah.
Remember when they were down here, when we used to live there?
Yeah, yeah.
They had a picture. They were going to a wedding.
Yeah, I think so.
Remember, they're all slicked back like grease lightning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they had that
1950s.
picture. Yeah, 1950s with a car. So that was it. Anything else?
Ampa, when you were little, what were like the toys you play with? Toys.
Nga tay ayam mo kanoy jubing ka.
Tarampo.
The nanaganari trompo.
Like paper?
No.
Oh, it's the spinny thing, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
oh,
the
like a
yeah,
top, like
the
a
spinning top.
What do you
Spinning
call
top?
that?
Yeah.
Yeah, the top, the spinning top.
Like yeah, you like.
Yo-yo.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mhm.
At least you have toys. Mommy didn't
So
have
different from
Many
Ampa.
toys.
Ito and then come back.
Oh yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
yo-yo.
Kasi
That's a yo-yo.
sometimes I almost hit the nose.
Oh.
My friend, okay na.
Did you play with your brothers and sisters?
Oh,
Like Uncle
Did I-
Junior, Auntie Telma, did you play with them when you're little? Did you play games? hide and seek or something, or
Yeah, we
What kind?
hide and seek like
He's
that.
a gambler. He,
when
Okay.
he's little
When he was
though.
no,
Yeah.
even little he's a gambler already,
Already?
before. Yeah.
Gambler for the Tansan.
You know that bottle top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the
I
gambling.
got plenty like that also.
That's a game.
That's kind of gay. That's a gay.
Yeah,
How
that is-
boring.
That is their game before. There's
My
no
God.
toys.
At least he had a yo-yo. Mommy didn't have nothing.
They don't have
And
nothing.
then
We have
I
to make
almost,
a tirtires, you
And
know
then
that.
I almost go in prison because when I drive the jeep, one of could you drive me there? Oh, I cannot drive you because I'm first bat. Go to Binalangan. And then
You punched him?
I got the knife like this. He ran away na kininam, patayin
Oh
ka.
my God, you're a bad boy, man. Uncle Junior too, right? When he was drunk.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
The young Roger is never speak bad words.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind
Yeah, that's-
Yeah, it's quiet.
That's like Kiana.
Yeah, it's like
Like
yeah.
a madre
Yeah.
before.
He's so soft.
Your breast strap is showing. And then your mom was, so what? She was so innocent before. But
But it's nicer. The life before is better
yeah.
than now.
It's simple.